Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 26th of April 2026. Lots to get through as always. Going to start off with the watchlist stocks from the weekend scans, starting with HIMS, HIMS and HERS Health, which has been rebounding in stage 4 quite strongly over the last 2 months. So if we quickly go to the weekly chart first, you can see, give it a bit of context back through the last couple of years. You can see, obviously had an exceptional stage 2 run through 2024, 2025, lots of volatility low. This one is a big mover, has a big ATR range. So we've seen a breakdown into stage 4 over the last 6 to 8 months or so, and then we had this selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, and now starting to push back out towards the top of the range, the declining 30-week moving average here. You can see it's still quite a way from its stage 2 level at the moment, 36.61 at the moment, so still just under 20% below that level at the moment. So it's still in what we call stage 4 minus. Stan Weinstein calls it 4B minus, but basically it's when it's in stage 4 but rebounding above the 50-day moving average back towards the key moving averages. But it's too early to be called stage 1 yet. It could technically be moving into stage 1, but there's still no guarantees of that yet. So if we come back to the daily chart here and give a zoom in on what's been going on over the last few months here, we had that selling climax move, which then we had gap up in March on exceptionally strong volume, which then rolled over, pulled back in and started to form this cup and sort of high handle type pattern that we've seen over the last month. So depth of the cup here was 32%, and it's since rallied 70+% since the low of that, and off of the actual selling climax low there, it's up over 130%. So you can see, as I said, it's a big ATR mover on a daily basis here. So average daily range on a 21 day is 2.249 here. So big moves. What's it at the moment? 30. So what's that? 7-8% maybe. So on a daily basis. So currently Friday's move 8.56%. So, and it's above what we call the plus 1 ATR level here. So when it's below the plus 1 ATR level, we've talked about this on previous videos, we consider it in a short-term downtrend. So just to highlight that briefly for you here, you can see once it starts trading back above that level, it then starts to show what we call a change of character. We're in a potential short-term uptrend. So within the broader stage 4 downtrend, we're starting to see a short-term uptrend develop back towards this flattening 200-day moving average at the moment, which is still a little bit away below at the moment, still 23% below that level at the moment. So currently the stage 2 level is up in this area. So we're looking for continuation from here, but obviously could still come back into the range. This could still be an up thrust within a developing structure. So if it does start to drop back into the range here, that would be a near-term warning sign, as it could obviously then start to build out for a little bit longer. But at the moment, looking for it any pullbacks to be contained in the sort of plus 1 ATR level, grind its way back up towards this 200-day moving average. So next up, Bros. So Dutch Bros, it's a coffee place, potentially. We've traded it before in the past. So it's been building a base 6-7 months now. And you can see we've had a recent spring, started to pull back up again. So a little bit of a complex structure through here as it started to pull back towards its 200-day moving average. So we had the original selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test. We had a big up thrust where it then rolled over and come back in, attempted to spring initially. We had a few tests of this low before finally moving off. So as I said, a little bit of a complex base within a base structure with this one, and it's starting to push up back now towards this 200-day moving average. So looking for sign of strength for it to start to pull its way out. So let me come back in on a weekly. You can see that at the moment, SATA score has increased to a SATA 6 at the moment, so strongest it's been for a little while. Last time was when it got back above the 30-week moving average in this point here early in the base when it was forming that up thrust. So we do start to get a move up in the 7 to 10 range there. That's when it's more likely to be in stage 2. You can see it's just below the stage 2 level at the moment, so 0.48%, so right on the borderline at the moment. So you can see it's obviously tested this low here multiple times, so you can see the structure that's been developing over the last 7 or 8 months or so. So looking for, as I said, sign of strength, looking for it to push its way up and out, start to see that moving average flatten off, start to see some continuation moves potentially. IBIT, so Bitcoin starting to show some strength in the near term still. So IBIT has been grinding up with it, and this obviously in turn has been helping the various crypto stocks in the near term, starting to get some bigger moves off of those recently. So again, above its 180R level at the moment in the short term. So a little bit of short term change of character coming out of this local base structure here for the last 3 months. So looking for a run up towards its 200-day moving average. We come onto the weekly chart here. You can see obviously the stage 4 that it's in at the moment, but obviously above the 10-week moving average, but still below this declining 30-week moving average. But you can see the technical attributes starting to improve at the moment. Relative strength still low relative to the S&P 500 here, so to see that improve as well.